Hello guys, welcome to Cat by Rocky YouTube channel. In this video, I will solve the exercise number 14 using AutoCAD 2D drawing. All dimension are millimeter. First, I will make it as circle dia 24, 60, 100. Let's go AutoCAD. Circle dia 24 and circle dia 100. Diameter 100, radius diameter 24. And I will make it as center, circle center. And I will make it as this circle radius is 33, 2 dia is 18, distance between 44. Circle radius is 33, 44 divided by 2 equals 22, one side 22, offset 22. Circle is 18, diameter 18. And I will mirror to left position. And this radius is 17. Circle radius 17 mm. And this one also mirror. Okay. And this center to this center top end line distance between 75. Okay, select and offset 75 and extend the line. And this center to this distance is 34. Offset 34. And this radius is 10, this radius is 20. Okay, circle radius is 10 and another radius is 20. Copying this distance, I will make it as tangent line, circle indent line. And I will trim the unwanted material. Select and delete. And mirror to left position. And this radius is 6 mm. This radius is 6, this also 6 mm. Go to AutoCAD, fillet, radius 6 mm. Select a circle to this circle, and this one is also 6 mm. And drawing is fully okay. Carefully trim the unwanted material. Trim the all extent lines. And this line also trim. I want to extend the circle end, center line extend to circle end. And this line I will make it as center line. Color green, make it as center. And I will match the center line to other line. And I will make it as color 30 and I trim this one. And color I will make it as color 30 and I will match property. Select this one and this one, and this one also select. Drawing fully okay, make it at dimensions. Go to annotation, linear. This distance to this distance is 75, and this circle center to this circle center is 34, and this circle center to this circle is 44, and this radius is 20, and this radius is 10, and this dia is 100, and this dia is 60, 66, and this two diameter is 18, two numbers, and write it on two numbers, and this diameter is for 24 mm, and this radius is 6 mm. This radius also 6 mm. Okay, the drawing is fully completed. Please like and share my video to get more information. Subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.